This is Gregory. He's hungry. He's looking up here at a brown bag. Let's get a better look. There you go. Inside the brown bag, we have a baby mouse. Isn't that nice? Well, this is how we let Greg do his thing. So first you want to get a good view. So we'll get a good view right when we're going to drop the item. Just kind of drop it on down there. Gregory sees the mouse, grabs it, it cries, it gets swallowed. Greg, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Nod your head for us. Do something. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Very good boy. He's very friendly too. Doesn't bite, nothing. Let's pick him up. There he is. Here's my little fatty. Look at the camera, Greg. Say hi to everybody.